Tally Prime is an accounting software widely used for managing financial and inventory-related tasks in businesses. It allows users to create and manage various types of groups to categorize and organize ledger accounts. These groups help in maintaining accurate and organized financial records. While I can provide general information about creating groups in Tally Prime, please note that there might have been updates or changes in the software since then. Here is how you would typically work with groups in Tally Prime. Creating a group. To create a group in Tally Prime, follow these steps. Open Tally Prime and load your company's data. Go to Gateway of Tally. Navigate to Accounts Info and then Groups. Select Create to create a new group. Enter the group name, select the primary group, if applicable, and provide additional information as needed. Save the group details. Editing a group. To edit an existing group, go to Gateway of Tally and then Accounts Info and Groups. Select the group you want to edit. Choose Alter and make the necessary changes. Save the updated group information. Deleting a group. To delete a group, navigate to Gateway of Tally and then Accounts Info and Groups. Select the group you want to delete. Choose Alter and then select Delete. Confirm the deletion. Group classification. Tally Prime allows you to classify groups into various categories such as assets, liabilities, income, expenses, etc. This classification helps in generating accurate financial reports. Subgroups. You can create subgroups under primary groups to further organize your chart of accounts. For example, under the primary group expenses, you can have subgroups like salary expenses, rent expenses, etc. Default groups. Tally Prime provides predefined groups for common accounting classifications. You can use these default groups or create custom groups to suit your business needs. Ledger accounts. After creating groups, you can create ledger accounts under these groups. Ledger accounts are used to record specific financial transactions.